Hi guys, this is how to create a poll in your WhatsApp channel. Let's go. Let's open WhatsApp application, and what you need to do is go to Updates tab where you have access to all your channels. Now select a channel where you are an administrator, because you can just go, let's say, to Netflix and create a poll over here. Let's go back, select your channel and tap on this paperclip icon at the bottom. Now tap on poll and start typing your question. And type in your answer options. You can also use emojis in your answers and in your questions as well. And you can tap and hold on these two bars and drag and drop to reorder your answers. You can add as many answers as you need. It's pretty unlimited, at least more than 10. I've tested it. Now you can also allow or forbid multiple answers and just send your poll to your channel. And once you have an answer, let's wait for answer. So once you have an answer, you can tap on View Votes and see your poll statistics. Unfortunately, you can't send this statistic to a third-party application like Smartsheet, Excel, Airtable, and so on. This is just your channel inner poll to keep you posted about your audience tastes, preferences, and so on. You can delete your poll anytime. To do this, just tap and hold on the poll and tap on the bin icon at the top, delete for everyone. And that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.